Hi everyone, mình là Bà Shin. Today I'm gonna unbox box turtle and bird. Like, everything is cute and I can't choose it what I don't want. So, what I want, of course, everything plus secret, but I'm sure my luck, Let's unbox it. I am ready. It's very detailed and like a storyline. I feel like this is like underrated. Like this is super cute. I love it. This is not disappointed and I really love it. Haha! It means my luck is back. Don't forget to like and follow BB Cat Pop and see you in the next video. Bye!